Welcome to Modern Hacker Scale Modeling channel. You can find on YouTube if you subscribe, additionally on Facebook, Instagram, and the web page. When you start building any models, regardless it's plastic or regardless it's resin, you have to check the panel lines, clean this properly, tighten a little bit, because if you put the primer and the paint on the top, it will disappear and you won't be able to contour the panel lines if the panel lines got disappearing. So that's the only reason that we're cleaning up, but you need to be extreme careful with the resin ones, because if your tool will be jump out from the panel line, then a bit ruining the surface and you need to sand it down. You can fix it, not an issue, just better if you try to minimize the issues that you can cause. So technically you can cause bigger issue than not doing, but if you're not doing, for example, these ones won't be properly visible, and we have to do a little bit. There are many tools to that. It's a Rebel one, for example, Trumpeter one, but many other one and many branded and better one also exist. You need to check in this preparation phase the screw and holes, how they fitting, if you need to tighten, because after painting this would be a difficult process to do the same. Peel off the paint. Looks it's fitting at least from the 8. You have holes for the 6, so 6 should be okay. just cut the edges with this knife tool. And after that we will sand down with a special small grinder machine. You don't need to make a precise cut, just try to cut. Emboss number plate. priming has completed, and we're checking now any imperfections, issues we can fix I did see that here on the driver's side door there is a molding imperfection. I'm just fixing now, because after the painting you will have less chance to smooth this. Even we will overpaint with some internal gray or black this, but this is a last minute fixture that you can do. I'm usually going through the surface with just a 2000 grit sponge to remove any imperfections, to surface any problems. Don't forget we have prime with 1500 grit Mr. Ruby Mr. Color primer. I like the best this because you can feel it, you can apply. I'm usually not using 1000 before unless it's really necessary. For example, 3D prints, maybe you can put a 1000 surface underneath. Some scratches that only were visible after the first layer of priming. We also fixed them. No issues at all. You can find on YouTube if you subscribe, additionally on Facebook, Instagram, and the web page.